to the channel. It is practice day here at round 2 of the Irish Drift Championship in Watergrasshill, Cork. We're pitted here with our friend Nicky, and what a truck he has. Watergrasshill is always known for a really tight track, tight technical, very good battles. Pits is also the very same, so it's a tight pit. But yeah, we've got myself, Jake, Nicky and Tony Cushman here as well, so we're all pitting in one area, so we've got a good team behind us this weekend. And yeah, we've had our briefing for practice. We're going to go out, and there is a change to the track from what I drove previously. Hopefully it's a change for the better, but yeah, the 180 is set up, and we may have to make a couple of tweaks to it, but I do have full confidence in Chris Burnett's set up in the car. But yeah, high pressures, see how it feels. The spoiler has spoiler. I think it's the first time you've seen it on the channel, but yeah, spoiler is on and it adds some weight to the car. So what we needed that weight in the rear of the car, because when we got the car corner weighted and set up, the back of the car was too light, and that may explain another little bit of the video from Mondello as well. Like, it just felt like the car was floating. It just kept going to Limher, straight to Limher, just blowing the tyres off it. And now it makes all sense, because there was no weight in the back of the car, and there was actually no physical weight to put down on the tyres to get grip into the car. So I think it's going to be a lot grippier here this weekend. I'm in Group B. Jake's gone out there now, so I'll quickly throw on my race suit, go out and see how Jake finds the track, and then we are in the hot seat straight in. And fingers crossed, lads, we can do well this weekend. So we're just in the car, we're just getting warmed up. We're going out for our very first practice lap here at Watergrasshill, on a completely different setup, car and stuff. So I just said to Abby and Robert there, I was like, look lads, we're going to go out here and just, I suppose, do 2 sighting laps, see what the track is like, see how the car feels, stuff like that. Get this first practice session over us, and build on that then for the rest of the day. So everybody's talking about rain tomorrow. Try not to think about that for now. Okay, first run is done, and that shook the nerves off. So now it's just get used to this setup in the car and start focusing in on all the zones. But yes, the car is hooked up, looks good. I'm going to ring Abby now. I have no radio, but I'll ring Abby and see what the criticism is.
Huh?
That's another run done in the car there now. Yeah, I'm just being crazy entry. I'm sort of backing the car, I'm backing it in across the first clip, and it's not working out for me. Car is just, I'm out with the lock stops and I'm spinning. So talking to Abby there, we just need to come in and do a little bit more, not as much angle basically, to get around the first clip. First time I done the track, I went around it no problem, and now I can't get it, so I just need to rethink things a little bit. had my GoPro running there, so I really want to see actually what went on that time. The car itself, I can fire in big angle on it, and it will take like big backwards entry, sort of flick style sort of driving, but the steering kit is just not able to handle the lock that I'm trying to pull off all these things. But some parts are good on the track, and then just bang, snaps and spins out. So I don't know, the car feels like it can drive in a big angle, but this kit, I don't think it's not able for big angle. The boys are telling me just go and get myself fucking wise, fam. But we're going to drop the pressures down a little bit. Robert's here now, so I'm just going to drop the pressures down a little bit and see how we go. Another run, and another frustrating run. It's just not going my way. Big thanks to Darren Spencer, he pulled me in there with a scruff of the neck. He said, get you down to my pits there. So took the bumper off the car. It seems like the wheel is sort of catching on the bumper and stuff like that, so just took the bumper off and cut the hell out of SD Aero's kit and just trying to make this thing steer. Yeah, it's another tough day. I don't think it's me. I really don't think it's me. If you do think it's me, do comment below, but I'm trying to drive this thing and it just won't do what I wanted to do. So look, we're going to keep at it. We're not going to give up. And yeah, it is only practice. Tomorrow's a different day. It's a wet day as well. That's going to be a whole other experience too. But anyway, just keep at it. I'm hoping to get another practice run here, and yeah, see how it goes. It's definitely warm in this car today. We're after be back in the pits again. Fair play to Dara and all the lads in there. We had set up lock stops on it. Basically, we thought the car was binding, and then when we had the lock stops set up, jacked up the car, we just had no lock. So Dara come along and got the lock stops and threw them across the ditch. So now we got no lock stops, and we got to drive on full angle without grabbing the chassis or things like that. So oh, it's a really eventful day here at Watergrasshill. But look, car's going good, mechanically wise, engine wise and all that. Driver's not doing too bad, but I think we're going to get another run here now, hopefully. So right, on the way home. So we raced back out to get another run, and unfortunately practice is over. I was actually wondering, I actually didn't look at the drivers group, but I was wondering why practice was going on so long, and yeah, the lads just changed the timing of the practice, so that means we've no more practice for the rest of the day. We don't know how this car is going to react tomorrow on Pro Day, But yeah, we're going to get some rain tyres, put them on the rear for tomorrow, and it's just going to be a whole new day, a whole new learning curve. But yeah, it's challenging, but what can you do? Wise Fab is calling for the front of my 180 big time. So yeah, we leave that here. Thanks to Robert, Abby for being sleepy all day. But yeah, Darren, Liam and everybody worked really, really hard at it today, and car is running good, but yeah, this is just not working out for us. Grip level is good in the car, seems to have the weight in it, but very overly confident Niallgoesdrifting going into the Pro 2 day. But anyway, hope you enjoyed this episode. I wish I was coming more happier at the end of this episode, but what can we do? Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Let us know how painful that was to watch. But look, we'll keep trying, and yeah, make sure to subscribe to the channel. We're nearly at 2,000 followers, so please do subscribe. Give us that support. Keep doing this, and we'll see you on the next one, where we will be in Pro 2 competition day. And what's going to happen, I cannot tell you. Bonus part of the video, lads. What are we doing, Nicky?
Changing the diff around.
The giggling pin and the laughing shaft. Look at the action for Mooch.
Pump action.
I don't. This just keeps adding on to this vlog, but I think we are completely mental in the head. So we've just gone to Rathcormac Tyres here in Cork. They hooked us up. We've got these Uni Royal rain sports. Every man is putting them on, so we actually couldn't go into tomorrow without putting these on. So thanks to Rathcormac Tyres for hooking us up, and we've got our rain sports. 2 for me, 2 for Nicky, or Jake. So hopefully these work tomorrow. People definitely don't see this side of it, Liam, do they?
This side of it.
This is Irish Drift Championship after 11 o'clock at night, and we'll change the wheels on the back of a trailer. This is dedication. Rain's coming. We gotta get the Uni Royal rain sports on. My good friend Liam putting in the graft, lads.